Dakajing Tamu ban penyajan yakijing ajing syakri yakipat ba dakitana sorkar baper hakasne palay jong katayaw labo yung mau Nongrim nakabanta bantay yaka additional Secretariat complex hadakap gre Tura hakajing lut jingsap kabankot chispa sanpon rio klur tingka.
Yaw ni mau Nongrim bantay yaka additional Secretariat labo do Menteri Rang Ba Kejelaw Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakabelay don lang ulampang yang dor bartawan kejela Thomas E Sangma usumbut lampang Timothy Di Shira usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelaw ba senyaw balang dahar ki Menteri Sorkar Jela ki MLA ki Head Officer Sorkar balajan kumba prahajar ngut ki patba Habakan na kejingelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagane project kadai kakana ke history jengki patba kejela kamtam e ya kerilum garu Bat kania ke additional Secretariat complex Tura kanam day tang kejing day ndai ke saki ya kejing plai kejing nurlong ya kejing angut kipat ba ulong ba ke additional Secretariat kan ajing syakri kipat ba karilom garo ki balamat ki babun kejing banyak kejing syakri na ke Sorkar Jela bat kania ke additional Secretariat kan ajing syakri ya ki santli ki distrik karilom garo Menteri Rang Ba ulong ba ke Sorkar kalap jing mod baga dibandan ki kampan roy hak jela berokowai berula penting pro baga Sorkar ke dan jing tu bantai ya ki mini Secretariat hajowai bat pen ursla
is that our government has always been focused on the objectives that we have tried to achieve and we have ensured that we always walk the talk. We've always ensured that when we go out to achieve a goal, we must ensure that it is done at every level. And so bringing administration closer to the people was not just a statement we made, but it was followed by action, whether at block level, whether at SP level, whether at DC level, whether subdivision, and even at the hospital, PHC, and the different health institutions that we have. And hence, our goal and our efforts continue. We have sanctioned the mini Secretariat in July. We have sanctioned the mini Secretariat in Peninsula. And the objective again is to be able to provide administrative setup to be able to give the necessary services to the citizens and the people of that particular district or that particular subdivision. And it is with that thought and process in our minds that we strongly felt that an additional Secretariat is important for the people of Garo Hills and especially the citizens here in Tura and the Garo Hills region. And through this, we will be able to bring administration to the doorstep of the people living in Garo Hills, where most of the services, most of the government schemes, people had to take long journeys to go to Shillong to avail those services. I am sure that with the completion of the additional Secretariat, we will be able to provide those different services right at the doorstep of the citizens.